Up a 15. Here comes the 20s, the 40s, the 50s, and 100x right next to me. Now it is now get over to 9 squares once again. Which squares, sir? Which? Okay, the ones above 50, 80s, 40s, 30s, 20s have appeared. Very nice. King of the castle, king of the castle. Very good, my friends. Let's hop back to the wheel. So we got 1,047 winners, 3.4k for the top winner. Enjoy the victories. Betting time is now yours once again. I don't know who you're talking about, Mr. Banana. Got a 60 and it became 100. It became 180. Are you sure? Here we go. Are you positive about that? No, I'm not his sister, man. 50x at number 1. Not his sister. We have some 4x5, 3x on 4. Is it even possible? Oh yeah. Oh my days. Number 1, guys, with a 50x. Come on, follow me. Greetings! 40 is the highest, 50x on top. So now 2000x is our highest multiplier, guys. Okay, let's go! It's not 100. Good, because next one is 1,500. Come on, come on. Bam, bam, bam. Not 1,500. 350 is next. Not that one. Okay, we have a chance to get the highest. Come on, 2K. Come on. We got it. Okay, guys, we got a 2,000x. Beautifully done. Let's move back to the wheel. Very nice. All right. 1,116 winners, 298,000.